Hello, this is Jax from Networking Superstars. Today I'm going to show you how to pin from the Networking Superstars blog onto your Pinterest profile and include your affiliate links. So here we are on the Networking Superstars homepage, and if you have a look down here, we've got masses of brilliant blogs from all of our expert authors, and each of these will be a real asset to any board you pin them on, because we've got a brilliantly clear image. We've got an excellent title with SEO because it has it's got words in here that people will be searching for, and it tells the viewer exactly what they're going to find on the post. Now, if they read that and they want to know about Facebook Messenger, then they'll click. And if they click the link and it's got your affiliate in it, then when they come back to Networking Superstars, you will be their referrer. And that's exactly what we're all looking for, is referrals back to Networking Superstars. So what I'm going to do is use this post that I did last week for my example. In this post, I actually talk about 5 different ways that you can pin from the blogs and various places to Pinterest using different scheduling tools. But I'm going to just use 2 of these today and show you those very quickly. So number 1, you can use the pin it button, which is in your browser bar, or you can use the pin it from here. This both works the same way. So if we press pin it, okay, the window opens up. You see the image, you check underneath that the text is correct and it is the title, which is perfect because it's got the keywords in there. Let's just make sure. Yeah, we've got the whole text there. Okay, the only other thing you need to do is to choose your board that you want to pin it to. Now, you can only pin to one board using the pin it button. So we're going to use Networking Superstars. And let me just show you at the bottom here, you have the option to post to Facebook or to post to Twitter. So when it hits your Pinterest profile, it will also post to Twitter or Facebook, depending whether or not you tick those. I've got Twitter ticked, but not Facebook. Okay, so you choose the board you want. It happens to be at the top, Networking Superstars, and press save. Okay. Now, if you miss that little red "see it now" that comes up, just go into your profile and find the pin. That's no trouble. Okay, now what we do is let's click edit, and where it says website here, this is the link that it came from. So pop your cursor in and just arrow to the right to get to the end of the link. All right, and then you put in the question mark, UID equals, and your number. So that's your affiliate number for Networking Superstars, and press save. Okay, now let's just click back. Okay, and let me just move my screen up, and you can see in the top bar here, it's got my username there. So anyone clicking on that pin will be referred back to Networking Superstars, and they will be cookied to me. So that's one way of doing your affiliate link. Now the second is pretty much the same, but instead of using the pin it, I'm going to use the scheduling tool that I use all the time, which is Tailwind. Now you can do this several ways. I can either click the image and the scheduling for Tailwind will come up, or I can press the pin it button, and if you have the Tailwind account, you'll see it also shows up here. So if I click the schedule from there, now you'll be able to see the differences here. Okay, we get the same image come up, we get the same text come up, and one of the differences is here is I can pin to as many boards as I want to. So I can pin to Networking Superstars, I can pin to my Pinterest board. I can pin to my social media board. Okay, and so on. I could pin to as many boards here as it's actually relevant for. Again, I've got the Facebook and the Twitter option. So let's click the Twitter, and I can change the link directly here. Okay, I'll just scroll it back so you can see, but it brings it up straight at the end of the link. So this is the link that we clicked from. Okay, and what I'll do is I can add my user ID here in one go. Okay, so question mark, and your number goes at the end. Okay, so we click out of that box. Now what I'll do here, because I'm pinning to more than one boards, I can use the interval, and it'll start from my next available slot. I can set the interval, and I can click schedule now, and they will go out at the scheduled times. So that's it, all in one go. We're done. So that's number 2. So using Tailwind, it makes it much quicker. You can pin to more boards at once. You can add them to your schedule, so they're not pinning right this moment, but they'll be scheduled in time slots that have been chosen for you, or you've chosen manually, which is when your audience are most likely to be around. And depending on how many you've got scheduled for the day, if you set your time interval as one day, then they'll go out one after the other on different days. So that is the advantage of using Tailwind. However, you can do it with a pin it button. It just means that they do pin at the time. So that's just a quick tutorial to show you how to include your affiliate links for Networking Superstars when you pin to Pinterest. So good luck with that. Any questions, get in touch. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.